ke NPP Women's Wing hene ke singi kala Pynrem jore ke jingja Tura hak arku saw tarik mentau benai kabala poi hadu upur ba sangut ki pulet kila mensaw hadin bagi pat ba kila thombor kan san kat ba menteri rang ba udang long jingelang bat ki kenhun ki seng bhalang Tura habakran bagi lat pathai khubor na kalian ka president joge NPP Women's Wing kong Pinong Plu kumju ka working president NPP East Khasi Hills kong damilari renta thiang kilo ongru ba kim kwa shu banyu I ba kum kate ga jingja kan jabiang
together from the NPP Women's Wing are deeply concerned about the violent attack to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma and other members who are also present there with him on the 24th July 2023. The anguish of we the women to observe such hatred and rage is tremendous. Violence and harming others is not the answer to solve any problems. When our Honorable CM was present in Tura to address the issue of concern, he was prepared to listen and discuss with the various groups, and also he has options to address on various matters that are being demanded. I urged the youth and the energetic members of different communities to redress their dissatisfaction in a peaceful and harmonious way. Of course, we all demands for various community needs that will become an important part of governance. But this act that took place on 24th July evening is not in a peaceful way. The Women's Wing is very proud of the vision and hard work that our Honorable CM invests to ensure a pathway for the growth and development of the youth and the state as a whole. We again urged the youths and other members from the different communities to please stop such discrimination. We do not want any violence to happen from this onwards. This is a concern to the state of Meghalaya as a whole. Thank you.